Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2012 Ford Expedition and I will show you which fuses and relays to check in case your heated mirrors are not working. This video will apply to Ford Expeditions made from 2009 all the way up to 2014. All the fuses and relays will be located in the main fuse box, which is under the front hood right here. It's very easy accessible. Now to lift the cover you will have two black tabs, one on the right side and one on the left side. So I want to press on each of them to unlock them and lift the cover up. On the back side of the cover you will also have a small fuse diagram. First fuse you want to check, it's a fuse number 51, which is a 40 amp fuse located down here, and it's responsible for power to the heated mirror relay. Then you will have fuse number 59, which is a blue 15 amp fuse located here, responsible for power to the heated mirrors. And the last thing to check, it's a heated mirror relay, which is located up here. Now the best way to test it is just try replacing it with one of the relays of the same kind, any of these, and see if that makes a difference. If it does, you can buy a new relay. It's around $10, just have it replaced and that will hopefully fix your problem. Okay, thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.